So if somebody's thinking about starting a blog, how do you start and how do you generate that buzz and that following and that energy? And how would you start doing that?
Honestly, I think starting a blog today would sound very intimidating to me because the environment just seems so saturated. But on the other hand, people are starting blogs and Instagram accounts and TikTok accounts every day, and lots of people are having great success. So I think it's really about thinking about what you're super passionate about, like what is going to keep driving you to like do it consistently, like really light that fire, because it's easy to kind of like write a few posts and then fall off because like maybe you're not that excited about the topic. But then I think thinking about like the unique value or the point of view that you're bringing to the table, like what sets you apart? Why would someone want to follow you versus any of the other millions of bloggers out there?